What's up? It's your boy Pope back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Future Flash. We are looking for the Altaria EX, Iron Valiant EX, or personally my favorite, Steelix. We got 3 packs today. We're going to rip and see what we can get. Pack number 1. Rockets.
Nice.
Got the Aegislash EX. One of my favorite Pokemon. Pack number 2. Oh, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Oh, ain't no way.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes! Pulled the chase I was looking for. Yes. We got the Steelix. Pack number 3. Can we go 3 for 3? Man, I'm so pumped about that Steelix. No, couldn't go 3 for 3. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what card you're chasing from this set. And don't forget to subscribe for your next daily pack challenge. Peace.